Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use or redeem One for All at Argos. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do, if you haven't already, is to log in using your credentials. This is very important because if you don't have an account on Argos yet, you might want to click on the register option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go to use and redeem the One for All gift card here, alright? Now, doing this is a very simple and a straightforward process. You can do this on your mobile device if the Argos app is available at your region. Now, for example, let's look for an item, alright? It says like save 20% on selected home electricals using the code, but I'm not gonna do that. Click on Shop Now option. For example, you're interested in the Philips portable digital home radio. Add to trolley. Let's click on it. And of course, go to trolley. Right? Now, it gives you this kind of insurance. But I don't want that. I must skip that and continue without insurance. Now, from here, what will happen is, all I have to do is, you can pay now and collect. Order now, collect from 4 p.m. today. Let's continue with a delivery option here. What will happen is it will be forwarded to another page wherein you are required to put as much as details as you can. All right. Now here, as you can see, when you click on the normal credit, you have the option to apply for an Argos card. All right. If you don't want that, just click on the 3 months buy now, pay later option if you wanted. But again, the thing is, as you can see, these are the payment methods that they accept. It's going to be Visa, PayPal, and a lot more Klarna, MasterCard, and Argos card. But you don't see the One for All card here, right? Now, all I have to do is hover to your add a payment method on your settings, which is going to be the gift cards, all right? Now, I need you to go to the card number and your PIN, and from there, you need to purchase a specific One for All gift cards, all right? Now, for example, you're gonna be using the One for All digital. Send a One for All gift card directly to their phone. But for now, I'm gonna use this one. Click on Buy Now, add it to your account, pay for it. And once you have the numbers, all you have to do is you need to put the necessary numbers here. For example, I'm gonna put random numbers right now. And of course, all the PIN. And after that, you would be able to check your balance, and that's the only way for you to be able to pay or use or redeem the One for All gift card to Argos. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.